So in order for us to calculate central tendency and spread, we'll first start by looking at mean, median, mode. We also look at our maximum and minimum, and then we look at our quartiles, the first, second, and third. We'll also look at our interquartile range and then standard deviation in this video. So let's zoom in into the work. Now, let's see how we can be able to find the mean, the median, the mode, maximum in a very simple way. So below your data set, where you have your data set, just below it, we perform this operation and then we transpose it to another sheet, which I've created. I'll take you through all of that. So first and foremost, we have the mean here, we have median, we have mode, we have maximum, we have minimum, and we have range. Now already, I believe you know that the mean represents the average or the average function. So you just enter your equal sign, the average will come, and then you open a bracket, or you choose the average and the bracket is open for you. Then you select the range of data that you want to find the average for. So in this case, from C2 to C214 or 214. And then once you enter, you have your average in there. Let's look at the median. The median is also here. So the median is actually the middle number. It's going to find the middle number. You arrange it in alphabetical order, and then it will find the middle number. That is what the median is. Now, so you enter your equal sign, you input the median, and then select the range of cells that you want to find or data you want to find the median for. Then you enter and you have your median or middle value of the data set. Now we have our mode, but you can see it is showing error. But beneath the error, it is reading no values occur more than once. So what it's saying is that in the data set that we have chosen, no figure appeared twice, because the mode is looking at the value that appeared most. But let's look at the formula anyway. So we can see that the mode is actually a function on Google Sheets and Excel, I believe also. So you enter the mode and then you enter the set of data you want to find the mode for, and then you click enter, and you should have your middle number. In this case, it's not available. Now let's go to the maximum. The maximum simply means the highest value within the data set or the range that you have chosen. So you enter equal sign, you enter maximum, and then you select the range that you want, and you press enter to get your answer. The minimum is the least value within the range of values that you selected. You also enter equal sign, which is the cell reference, or sorry, function reference, and then the mean, and then you enter the range. When you are done, you enter, and then you have your value. Now, the range is the difference between the maximum and the minimum, which means you subtract the minimum from the maximum, and then you are done. So you introduce your equal sign, subtract, and then you are done. Now, when you are done with all these operations nicely, select from the top one to the last one here. Now, come to the base of it like this, and then drag it all the way to the last column that you have here, and watch it. Yes, so this is how you generate for all the values that you have in your data set. Now I'm going to teach you how to transpose this in the next video. So follow me. Thank you.